How to log in Vodafone account. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in myaccount.vodafone.co.uk. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface of Vodafone. You can log in using the number or username. Click on the field of number or username. Enter it over here. If you have forgotten the username, click on the option Forgotten Username and you'll be able to recover it. You can also click on the option I don't know my mobile number if you have forgotten your mobile number. Click on the option Continue that you can see on the screen. In another interface, you'll be prompted to enter the password. Simply go ahead and enter the password. Follow through the prompts and you'll be logged into your account. Like this, you can log in Vodafone account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.